Hi, Thelma here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a brand new Dollar Tree and Walmart haul. A lot of these items I've never seen before, so they're new to me. And so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start out with the Dollar Tree. And first I want to show you these low cut size 5 to 9 socks. They it looks like a gnome on it. First I thought it was Santa, but look at the little gnome on the sock. Look how cute. I bought a pair of these for me and for my friend who took me to the Dollar Tree yesterday. And they also have little white snowflakes on them, and they're pretty stretchable for anyone that goes way farther than a size 9. And they're polyester and spandex and 1% other fiber. And they had like little deers and little Christmas trees and penguins and snowmen, all kinds of other ones for just in case someone's not into the gnomes. So make sure you go there and pick you up a pair. If for $1 you can't beat it. And I also picked up 2 packs of this foam scatter. There's 50 count in each pack. It has Christmas trees, stars, snowflakes, and looks like Santa's boots in it. And like I said, I picked up me 2, and I picked up 2 for my friend. And they also have this 9 count felt stickers. It's different shapes and sizes of ornaments, and as you can see, you just peel the back off and stick it to what you want to use. It can be good for scrapbooking too. And I can't remember if I've seen these up there last year or not, but even if I did, and I may have some, you can't beat it. I mean, look at all the glitter. And this one says believe on it. And then this one says peace on it. And I love the wording, the way they have the detail of it. See how it goes up twice and swirls around? The font in it is just outstanding. And for the mini tree, because I picked up a mini tree on one of my other hauls, I picked up these little ornaments. These are little red, looks like stars. And you get 6 of them in it. You can't beat that. And I picked up a little silver mini tree topper. They had a display, so I set it on top to see what it looked like, and it's perfect size for their little mini tree that they have. They have them in white and green this year. I picked up some of these DIY stickers, snowflake, stars, well, one of my stars fell down here, and Christmas trees. There's 4 in each one. And they have them in different other designs too, but I already picked those up. And for the mini tree, a 16 count of these red ornaments to go with those real light blue ones that I picked up before. They have the solid color, and then they have the glitter right here. I'll let you show it to you on the back so you can see them better. I mean, the Dollar Tree is really going above and beyond on their merchandise now. They're really calling it out. And I picked up another one of these Merry Christmas Santa Claus sleighs. And some of these, I think I told you all, I had a accident in my basement and all of my ornaments, most of them got ruined that we've been collecting since the late 80s. And I'm having to restart over on most of my ornaments, unfortunately. But worse things could happen. People's lost more important things, so worse things can happen. And this little tree, it has a star on top of it. These are two-piece ornaments. And the tree, it just swirls around and around. I don't know if you can see that. And then it has a little go bell on the bottom of it. And then there's this one. Let me untangle it here. One side there are two snowflakes, and one is white and one is silver. And the silver snowflake has a white bell on it, and the white snowflake has a silver bell on it. And they're both glitter, as you can see. I hope it shows up in the camera. And then I picked up these little stars with the bells on the bottom of them. And they have glitter on them too. Okay, that's it for the Dollar Tree part. So let's get started with the Walmart. I picked up another one of these Halloween ice cube trays. This one is pumpkins. They're 98 cents and very flexible. It's kind of like rubber, not that hard plastic. And you can see how easily they bend. So that's one reason I got them. And then there's a 25 count of Halloween for 98 cents straws. It's to go with the party that I'm having on Halloween night for just a few friends and family members coming over. And this is from Better Homes and Garden. Now, this was under $4. And this is the Candied Caramel Pecan. And they have so many other flavors, scents. I mean, this... Oh, it smells so strong and so good. You don't even have to put it in the wax burner. You could just sit there and smell it all day long. And for my wax burner, they have these, I had to show you these Sensationals 2-pack for $2.16 bulbs. And these are the good kind that lasts for a long time. So think about that. I know they sell them at the Dollar Tree for $1, but I've noticed they don't last as long. So a lot of times within 2 weeks the bulb will blow, and so you better off to spend an extra $1.16 and get the better kind that's going to be better quality to last a little longer. And I picked up these were only $4 and, let me show you the tag, $4.88, and you get all 6 of them. You have the red ones with the white dots like little snowflakes, the black with Merry Little Christmas, the white with snowman, another one of the red with the white, and another Merry Little Christmas. And then instead of another snowman, you get white with red and white candy canes and little red dots on them. and it says it's 54 foot in total. So you take 54, divide it by 6, and you have how much is on each row. And I had to pick out, this is from Impress Culture, press on nails, but you use glue with it too. And there is 30 nails in here. And I picked up these like real pretty champagne color with white ones and little stones on them. You can't beat that. For, I think it was under $6. I'm going to continue to look at them and imagine them on before I put them on. And I might take them back and exchange them. They had these real pretty black and white ones, and I think those would look better for Halloween. But look at them and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think these would look good with just a regular like Halloween shirt on and jeans and the nails for Halloween? I just can't make up my mind. And I had to pick up some of these Queen Anne milk chocolate cherries. There's 10 of them in here, and they were only $1.88. And these are the good kind. It has the white and the cherry in it, and the cherry glaze. I love them. And I haven't seen Rave. Rave is my #1 favorite hairspray, and I haven't seen it in a while. And I looked up, and way up on the high top shelf, they had this. It's called 5X Freeze 24 hour, and this is a net weight 71 ounce for $2. I mean, $2. You can't beat that. And the last thing that I got was this tablecloth. It is Halloween. So you can see the detail. They have pumpkin, it's black background, pumpkins with skeletons, another black background, skeletons with red roses, and then they have these. And they had another one similar to this one that also had spider webs in it, but they didn't have it in my size of my table. This size is 60 by 102 rectangle, and it was $3.89, and you can't beat that. I'm going to go ahead and pop it open if I can figure out. I guess I'll just tear the paper. That way you could see better. Oh wow, it got ink on it. It has ink in black and orange. There's some more of it that you can see. It has spooky houses on it, pumpkins, owls. Okay, this is the one with the spider web. Spider webs. Let's see if it's got a spider in it. Has a big old black spider and the spider web. I did good on buying this one. Alright, that's it for the haul. If you liked it, please click that thumbs up button, the like button. It would really help my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, the notification bell right next to subscribe, so you'll be notified of my future uploads and you won't miss a one. I do a lot of DIYs, 3 of them throughout the week. Mainly it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but sometimes I do them on the weekend too. And leave a comment. I try to answer each and every one of them, and I love hearing from you. And just by doing them and subscribing, you will be part of my YouTube family here on YouTube, and I welcome you. And also, by doing these 3 things, you will also be entered into my contest that I have going on to win 6 new with tag scarecrows. Okay, so until next time, have a good day.